What's Robbie? This time.
The modified airplane weighs 800 pounds and is powered by a 180 horse O320.
It's just kind of the culmination of all those things that over flying years you wanted to try, and this has given us a platform to be able to try it.
It's about 12,000 blocks. It took over 2 weekends to build.
Hello? We had to shine our boots and clean our buttons. We knew the war was over then, and we were quite confident that we would be there when it ended.
This proclamation was read out stating that the hostilities will cease from 11 that morning, and actually there wasn't a cheer of any kind raised when that was read out.
Yes! Woo!